Welcome to my new another video. Today's video contains top kitchen gadgets that will amaze you, so don't skip the video and watch till the end. So let's start the video.
The once-for-all safe mandolin. Slicer 5-in-1 vegetable chopper is a versatile kitchen tool designed to simplify your food preparation tasks. Crafted with high-quality stainless steel and acrylonitrile butadiene styrene material, this product ensures durability and reliability in your kitchen. One of the standout features of this mandolin slicer is its focus on safety. With a design that protects your hands from direct contact with the blades, there is no need for safety gloves, making it safe and easy to use for everyone. The safety lock and collapsible design further enhance the user experience, providing peace of mind during operation. In addition to its safety features, this slicer offers convenience and efficiency. The inclusion of a cleaning brush and container simplifies the cleaning process, while the dishwasher-safe design allows for easy maintenance. This product is also BPA-free, ensuring that your food remains safe and healthy.
The fuit pressurized handheld multi-surface natural steam cleaner by FreshSaver is a versatile and powerful cleaning solution suitable for a wide range of surfaces. With a wattage of 1050 watts, this handheld steamer is designed to tackle tough cleaning tasks with ease. Its specialty multi-surface steamer feature ensures that it can be used on hard floors, tiles, grout, sofas, windows, cars, furniture, upholstery, fabrics, sinks, countertops, walls, and various kitchen and bath surfaces. The steam cleaner comes with a comprehensive set of accessories, including fabric cleaning tools, towel sleeve, round brushes, extended nozzle, cone-shaped nozzle, measuring cup, funnel, bent nozzle, and glass cleaning accessory, making it a complete and all-in-one cleaning solution. Weighing just 3.9 pounds and with dimensions of 10.6 into 5.1 into 9.4 inches, the Fuit steam cleaner is portable and convenient to use. One of the key highlights of this device is its super fast heating feature.
The DeWalt DPG82 Concealer Anti-Fog Dual Mold Safety Goggle is a high-quality product that combines performance with comfort. The goggles feature a fabric-type elastic headband that provides a secure and adjustable fit for all-day wear. Imported with precision from China, these safety goggles offer reliable protection without compromising on style. The anti-fog design ensures clear visibility in various working conditions, making it an ideal choice for both indoor and outdoor use. The dual mold construction enhances durability, ensuring long-lasting performance even in the most demanding environments. Additionally, the sleek design and comfortable fit make these goggles suitable for a wide range of users. Whether you are working in construction, woodworking, or any other industry that requires eye protection, the DeWalt DPG82 Concealer Anti-Fog Dual Mold Safety Goggle is a top choice. Its reliable performance, comfortable fit, and quality construction make it a valuable addition.
The NutriChef Electric Carving Turkey Slicer Kitchen Knife is a modern and efficient kitchen tool suitable for various culinary needs. This electric knife, equipped with 2 cutting blades and a wood storage stand, simplifies the process of slicing meats and other ingredients. The stainless steel blade with a length of 5 inches provides precise cutting, while the corded electric power source ensures consistent performance. The combination of stainless steel, and wood in the handle design enhances durability and usability. With its manual operation and sleek white color, this kitchen knife is a versatile and stylish addition to any kitchen. Whether you are a cooking enthusiast or a professional chef, the NutriChef Electric Carving Turkey Slicer Kitchen Knife offers a reliable solution for your slicing and carving tasks.
The large traditional Sichuan Chinese glass fermenting jar by Urban Trend is a testament to craftsmanship and functionality. Made from high-quality glass, this fermenting jar is both durable and aesthetically pleasing, making it a great addition to any kitchen. The clear glass allows you to view the contents inside, giving you a glimpse of the fermentation process. The flip-top closure ensures a secure seal, keeping your ferments fresh and safe from external contaminants. The solid pattern adds a touch of elegance to the jar, making it suitable for various settings, from traditional Chinese kitchens to modern culinary spaces. This jar is ideal for fermenting a wide range of foods from kimchi to pickles, allowing you to explore and experiment with different fermentation techniques. Overall, the large Sichuan Chinese glass fermenting jar offers a blend of tradition and innovation, making it a valuable tool for home cooks and fermentation enthusiasts alike. With its quality construct,